Chiwenga becomes Zimbabwe Vice President. Zimbabwe Defence Forces, ZDF, Commander, General Constantine Guveya Chiwenga, is expected to become Vice President of Zimbabwe following the military coup he initiated in Zimbabwe. Chiwenga will thus become the first highest-ranking military chief in the country's history to assume the second most powerful office in the land, after his predecessor, the late General Vitalus Vinalvash, came within a whisker of taking up the same office in 2004 following the death of VP Simon Musanda, in a thrilling grand political plan that has been brewing since 2008, reportedly mooted and involving former Ethiopian leader, Mengistu Haile Mariam, now exiled in Zimbabwe after receiving asylum in 1991, who is said to be the brainchild of the scheme, as a hired national security consultant of the military. Former Higher, Tertiary Science and Technology Minister Jonathan Moyo said he is waiting for Chiwenga to be appointment of de facto president and de jure vice president.